Thunderstorm was located near Sharon, or 8 miles north of Latham Road, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crystal Lake, Algonquin Lake, Indiana The Hills, McHenry, Belvedere, Woodstock, Hunley, Loves Park, Fox Lake, Harvard, Island Lake, Baringo, Podler Grove, Cary, Hampshire, Johnsburg, Lake Mirror, Spring Grove, Kennewick Lake, and Fox River Grove. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, and Marine Hills State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.